Hi everybody, welcome back. This is Susan here, and today we'll be making a nice vegetarian fried rice. First, we have our 2 fried eggs here. It is semi-cooked. There we go. Put that aside. It was only cooked for about 2 minutes only. Now we're going to add some more oil. About 2 tablespoons should be fine. We're going to add 2 or 3 teaspoons of minced garlic there to fry a little bit to release its flavors. Now we're going to add some diced onions and celery. There we go. And we're going to fry this for about 1 to 2 minutes. Keep on stirring, mixing all that delicious garlicky flavors. We're going to give it a dash of salt. Just keep on mixing. We love our garlic, so we just added some more extra garlic there. And now we're going to add in our leftover white rice or cooked white rice there. Just mix and stir. Mix and stir. There we go. Okay, now we're going to add in our flavors. We're going to add a nice dash of soy sauce and a few droplets of oyster sauce. Mix and stir again. Mix it up nice and good. There we go. We're going to fry this for another 1 or 2 minutes and it should be ready. And now we're going to add in our diced fried eggs from before. And just mix it all up. And here you have a delicious vegetarian fried rice. Just fry it for another 1 minute or so. We're just adding some extra color in there and vitamins and minerals. We're just grating in some red carrots here. There we go. Just fry it for another 30 seconds to 1 minute and it's ready. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, please give it a nice like, subscribe. And if you have any suggestions or comments, please leave them below. We really do appreciate all your support. Till next time, guys. This is Susan signing out. Gotcha, gotcha.